Yeah, the long distance runner. Check it, y'all. It's 2004. Last year, Tony and George started the war with the horse. Same year, and the year before, plus the year before that, me and the troop were on constant tours, chanting and boomba from the South African shores to the Norwegian fjords. I'm trying to keep a vegan course, traveling with good friends like Chords, Tim Bark and DJ Large, Johnny Bass and Big Boss. Before the struggle album hit the record stores, we were on a road to hell, breaking doors and laws. Me, Supreme Gangsta P and Shoot Me, of course. Had a little trouble with the German police force. That's why I had to stop drinking, cause when I start drinking, it's when I stop thinking that I gotta stay on top of things. And when I'm under the bottle, you know I stop to think. Like an athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but it gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog, when your patience longer. An athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but it gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog. Living in this free world, expecting cops to abuse me when I'm chilling with the cup full of muesli. Matter of time for my cup is running over, but I'ma get mine cause motherfuckers running slower. Following my sprinter trail, I run down the line on the interrail. I ain't been to jail. I got work to do and I got things to say. You're real role model for the kids today. Can't afford getting sent away. Get them fingerprints away. Wipe off the mic, every single stain. Recognize bomb when it's in the mail. What's a big disgrace? What's a big bam bam? You had to end this way. All you ever wanted to was to entertain. Went against the wrong guy cause I was meant to stay. Like an athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but it gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog, when your patience longer. An athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but it gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog, when your paper's longer. The battle ain't for the strong, nor the race for the swift, but for those that can't endure the type of blaze that I spit. For those that will survive all the changes and shit, with families, fans, partners, and labels you with. And even if I wanted, I wouldn't be able to quit. I gotta keep running till the pavement was split. Under my bare feet, the concrete with red heat. Till my future kids eat, we all living carefree. In a Zion hut, we ain't dogs no more. Where my lions at? Give me some signal. Let me see your lion paw. Let me know what we're living and what we're dying for. Ask myself, is it a good enough reason? If so, I go all out like it was my last season. If my voice is weak, my voice will speak. To conquer the world, I gotta keep a top physique. Like an athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but it gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog, when your patience longer. An athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but it gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog, when your paper's longer. When your paper's longer. No alcohol, no weed, no cigarettes, no ease, no milk, no cheese, no eggs, no meat, just meditation and peace. Red lentils, chickpeas, good workout, good sleep, more sunshine, light breeze.